Welcome to Tidy Habits YouTube channel. Here are 10 must-know tips and tricks for using Coca-Cola in your house cleaning routine. Clean toilet bowl. Pour a can of cola into the toilet bowl and let it sit for at least an hour. The acids in the soda help dissolve stains and grime. Scrub with a toilet brush and flush for a clean bowl. Remove rust. Soak rusty tools or metal objects in cola for several hours or overnight. The acid helps break down rust. After soaking, scrub the rust off with a brush or steel wool and rinse. Unclog drains. Pour a can of soda down the drain and let it sit for 30 minutes before flushing with hot water. The acids in the soda can help dissolve minor clogs and clean the drain. Remove grease stains. Dab a small amount of cola on grease stains on clothing before washing. The soda's carbonation and acids can help lift the grease. Wash the item as usual. Clean your grill. Pour cola over the grill grates and let it sit for a while. The soda helps loosen grease and food residue. Scrub with a grill brush and rinse thoroughly. Scale a kettle. Fill your kettle with cola and let it sit for an hour. The acids in the soda help dissolve limescale. Boil the kettle, then rinse thoroughly with water. Car battery terminals. Pour a small amount of soda over the terminals to help dissolve corrosion. Use a brush to clean off the residue, then rinse with water. Refresh carpet. Mix a small amount of soda with water and lightly spray it on carpet stains. Blot with a clean cloth to lift the stain, then vacuum once dry. Remove grease from pans. Pour some soda into greasy baking pans or oven trays and let it sit for a while. The carbonation helps lift the grease, making it easier to scrub off. Polish coins. Soak tarnished coins in cola for a few hours. The acids help dissolve tarnish. Scrub gently with a toothbrush, rinse, and dry. Remember these cleaning tips and tricks that you can use someday. We know you'll love this video.